Now we are having all resources. You name beaches. You name East Coast Sea. You name excellent rivers, waterfronts. If you can go to Godavari, one of the best water. Krishna, one of the best river. Perennial river. Even our friend has mentioned Buckingham Canal. In British period, through Buckingham Canal from Kakinada to Chennai, they used to transport goods and also passengers. Now we can revive that type of canals. Future is experience. If you can water tourism, we can promote. Venture tourism we can promote. You name anything, everything is available in Andhra Pradesh. Now, just now, one of tourist promoter, as rightly mentioned, she wanted to promote our Srisailam helicopter tourism and spirituality. I will be very happy. You can promote from Amaravati to Srisailam, Hyderabad to Srisailam, Bangalore to Srisailam, even Chennai to Srisailam. It is possible. Lot of opportunities we can explore. Even promoters have come. Even event managers have come. I have seen all of you. You have given very good ideas. As Tucker has rightly mentioned, 15 members, they have constituted teams. Different teams, they have given excellent ideas. We will process everyone what you have given idea. We will come up with action plan. We will execute it. Periodically also, if you can give more and more ideas. Now, better than me, our Ramdev Guruji is here now. He is a best creator. Tucker is a very good creator. If I give any concept, he will prepare excellent chart and then explain this is how it has been done. At the same time, Ramdev Guruji is having concept and execution plan and resource mobilization. At the end of the day, he will produce outcome. That is his specialty, with proof of concept. I am very happy with him now. Money is not the issue. I am telling you, we can create wealth. Wealth, if you create wealth, automatically government will get income and jobs. Then with this money I can spend again for poverty eradication, welfare programs. Even I am promoting one concept now, P4. You are all aware, India is very fortunate. 1991, economic reforms have come. Even for economic reforms, responsible person P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man, has introduced economic reforms in this country. He has given a direction for the nation. That is how he has done. After that, technology advantage. For the last three decades, I am promoting technology. Now it has been matured. Now India is blessed with demographic dividend. Aging population, other countries are facing, whereas India is having young, energetic population. These are all the advantages for India now. Now another 10 years time, very inspiring time. So at the same time, I have to mention here a right time, a right leader for the nation, that is Narendra Modi ji. We are proud of him. Very consistent and also very balanced, and also growth is going very, very stable economy. So everything is very positive, and also I am requesting all of you, time is very important. As our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, I am telling you, I am assuring you, your investment is safe. And also you will get better returns. Plan now. If you miss, you will miss the bus forever. Don't miss now. This is an opportunity. Wherever I used to tell from the beginning, those who listen to me, they are all benefited. I started Hyderabad development. I told them what is going to happen after 15-20 years. Today, Hyderabad, those who believed my words, my vision, they are all now very big people. Now India is going to grow. There is no doubt about it. In the growing momentum, what we are doing is not enough. This is where I wanted to make it very clearly. Aim globally,